At Codvo, we help enterprises transform how they use AI and data to solve real-world problems. From predictive maintenance in manufacturing to GenAI-powered digital twins in customer service, we work closely with industry leaders to turn AI from a buzzword into business value. We are excited to talk about what it really takes to operationalize AI and ML, not just in labs, but on the ground, where decisions are made and value is created. Operationalizing AI/ML means moving from proof of concept to real-world impact, integrating models into production systems, scaling them, securing, and ensuring they drive measurable outcomes. In manufacturing, it's embedding predictive models into MES or SCADA systems from real-time defect detection. In retail, it means integrating dynamic pricing models into POS and inventory systems. In BFSI, it involves deploying fraud detection or credit scoring models within core banking platforms with auditability. Each industry has different latency, compliance, and integration constraints. So, while the AI may be similar, operationalizing it requires domain-aware engineering and governance frameworks. One of the most impactful examples come from our work with a leading oil and gas company in North America. The challenge was straightforward but critical: how to predict when and where to drill next. The investment and field teams could act with confidence rather than guesswork. But more importantly, we didn't just build a model. We embedded it directly into planning workflow. The output became a trusted part of the decision-making process, helping them identify high-yield zones earlier, reduce delay in rig deployment, allocate capital more strategically. And because the platform included built-in performance, tracking, and explainability, the field and strategy teams gained confidence in the recommendations. The result? Smarter drilling decisions, improved asset utilization, and a measurable lift in planning efficiency. A great example of how AI, when operationalized well, can directly shape business outcomes. In high-frequency environments, model can go stale quickly. We tackle this through continuous monitoring, drift detection for input features, and prediction confidence. Automated retraining, triggered based on thresholds like RMSE, conversion drops, or latency shifts. Integrated feedback loops, especially in travel when GenAI agents now auto-summarize customer feedback into training data. For example, in travel and transportation, we are helping a client forecast route delays using weather, booking patterns, and historical delays. By integrating retraining cycles with real-time data streams, we improved forecasting accuracy and enhanced customer rebooking experiences. Across industries like retail, BFSI, and manufacturing, we often see something like model sprawl, which is disconnected efforts without shared platforms, lack of AI/ML ops, maturity, models without CI/CD pipelines or monitoring, misaligned with business goals, solutions solving data science problems but not the core business ones. At Codvo, we encounter this by setting up Center of Excellence frameworks, shared features, stores, and AI accelerators tailored to each industry. For BFSI clients, we have built reusable risk models and monitoring systems that serve multiple business lines while meeting compliance needs. We are seeing a shift from traditional AI use cases to GenAI-powered digital twins, especially in customer-centric industries like BFSI, travel, and retail. At Codvo, we are operationalizing this by creating digital twins of customer service representatives, which is CSRs, that act as intelligent agents capable of handling both routine and context-heavy queries. For example, in BFSI, these digital twins assist customers with loan clarifications or policy comparisons by referencing real-time CRM, policy documents, and transaction histories. In travel, they proactively help with delays, rebookings, or itinerary updates by connecting to live booking systems and flight APIs. And in retail, GenAI agents act as first responders, handling returns, sizing questions, or promotional inquiry instantly, reducing live agent workload. What makes this operational is the integration with the existing platforms, right? When we are talking about IVR, CRM, ticketing, real-time decision, and continuous learning from historical chat logs and call transcripts, turning static automation into a self-improving system. We are not just deploying chatbots, we are building scalable AI-powered workforces that augment human CSRs and redefine cost, efficiency, and customer experience benchmarks.